Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. So let's get straight into it. Now first you will need to open up Visual Studio. Then from the top menu bar navigate to the extension here. And yeah, let's find extension right over here. Now you will go, okay, sorry, but navigate to the extension. All right, open up and then in this search bar, type in GitHub uh, Copilot, and yeah, select this chat and install it here, download it right over here. So yeah, if you don't find GitHub Copilot, then type in next to it chat. So it will be the first one right over here. Okay, when it's installed, close Visual Studio entirely, um, and then reopen your Visual Studio Code. It's possibility that it's open up the V6 installer window to complete the configuration, but yeah, this is then pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next